we don't enter the final lap of our program as they hot. We'll go give now all the sum up of it we don't talk about. We'll still collect now course and the matter still day very very hot. We'll still get Prof for us and August Solomon. Prof, Chukwudi be ask you one question the way you want address before we collect that call from our first caller.
He said, make I talk to my people. And I think say the time don't reach for us, wherever you did, to think first about the impact of what you know how to do. And I talk about the Niger Delta Avengers. Because if you blow a pipeline, now the land you spoil. If you blow a pipeline, now water you spoil. The flora and the fauna will destroy. The immediate pain now your own.
Yes.
Then before you come begin talk about whether it affect Nigeria economy, now the life of your people, cancer, acid rain go cause problem. Children go come, you go born children won't get deformity. So now it affect the more. And then the second one be say, we go fit talk about our problems strongly rather than to destroy everywhere. Then the third one be say, we don't get government when say, I care. And that is the truth. You remember before, now this Presido in 1984, go the same Ogoni community, go commission some project about how to make the people better. Now it don't come again, it don't go Ogoni land. So it care about our people.
Yes, we get one of our regular caller, Oga Bobby, all the way from Amsterdam. Good morning, Oga Bobby.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Oga Bobby.
The thing is, this topic that they talk, the Avengers, what they call them, Niger Delta Avengers, whatever they call themselves, now their pocket they fight for. If we give them amnesty and money, another person could start in.
That's right.
You they say also because it's like you're recycling something when say people they do they find money. I'll let the talk and say those guys they're supposed to hold their state governors responsible for development. You they say also because if the state not do what it's supposed to do, the place will remain
The way it is.
So because if you talk about the oil so and they share money they reach of the state and from data I say Ibori went to prison so do pass Udwaga. You understand me now? Ibori do pass Udwaga. I've seen what Ibori do before he come up for power and when Udwaga ate that he do nothing. He do one single thing not do. You understand me now? So those are people who are supposed to arrest, people like especially like Ibori. Ibori do than Udwaga. So then as they show up, if the woman come up to go and testify and can testify for the matter.
Oga Bobby, thank you very much for this your important contribution.
Holding the government accountable.
No go court, go testify over there. Not in federal high court when they Lagos. We owe you.
If you take this call to the next level, like the guy from South Africa talk about accountability, EFCC should look into the past and see how we investigate those who stole the money of the people. But above all, what we must do to move this country forward, not to restructure this federation. If we restructure them, you go see say nobody will get reason why Ingo say I won't come out, I won't blow a pipeline, I won't be Biafra, because within the same enterprise, you go fit solve the problems. Look at the world. Even after the America, when would they call? America fought a gruesome war longer than we're fighting here.
Exactly.
But when they came up with the constitutional amendments that gave everybody a sense of belonging in the American Federation, peace don't they? You know, and that is exactly what this country needs. Give everybody that is part of this enterprise a sense of belonging. If you give them a sense of belonging, this problem is not good day. Then fundamentally, we must change the way we do business in this country. Almost always, you see, people go say, like some people they talk now, leave Jonathan only and don't chop money before. Leave Ibori, leave this man. we must change our approach to situations as a people. Anybody when steal money for Karo Namuda, steal our money. Anybody when steal money for Delta State, steal our money. And the thief should be called a thief. Don't call him a thief because now Osama. And then you not call the one when they your side thief. Don't call a man a thief in Uroboland and then call the other one, oh, he's a politician. Anybody, whether you be politician or whether you be private businessman or when they market money when belong to the people, you should be called a thief and not be. And then you know the problem when in this country, we don't change now thieves that they call chief. You see the way it sounds like thief. You thief, you become chief. We must change our approach to these things. Call a spade by his name. Like I said, Uthman Danfodio, talk up, say conscience now open.
Bro, you don't talk. You don't give us more like your final talk on top of this matter. And quickly, Oga Solomon, what be your own take on this? What be that way you also tell?
No, maybe we just narrow Oga Solomon to. When we talk about leaders, we get religious, we get maybe cultural, we get political. What do you think, say, because you be mentioned somebody like Chief Edwin Clark, what do you think, say, these people supposed to?
At least.
Because as people don't talk, say, okay, these boys, make una drop. What about the leaders? That's Solomon James Moses.
Well, then talk say charity
begins.
It begins for house. So our leaders, you see the way, that's why I've been talk, say, waiting them they talk. Because when you know talk, if it be a sign of consent.
Correct.
But when I begin to say, hey,
It's
my
not
begin,
good. It's
this
bad.
thing when I do, no good. It's also means say me I be stakeholder too.
Yes.
And don't my time they wind, I don't they wind up or wind down anyone. Now own future now they look for.
Exactly.
Because I want make we do something today that even if I come out for the scene, I go to say the next step will be planned. My children,
Yeah, go
then
fit benefit from
so
am.
that kind of leadership and thinking, I go want to make them pass to everybody. Like you talk, even the children have been like when they read the paper, say even some of the children will get WAEC or exam. Say you don't go for exam. So you find out that one decision they affect even people where right now they don't know. And if the one when you write exam now, if you drop out tomorrow, next few years, he go take arm because he don't get time to enhance himself. So every step we will take right now, it affects everybody. So make all the leaders.
Oga Solomon James Moses.
That when they talk about Solomon, they look person finish name and Solomon, they get it.
Kompu James, when they write, Kompu Moses, when Sabi Trek, where? Oga Solomon James, go shake hand with 2 hands. Shake prof with 2 hands, 2 hands, 2 hands.
I don't get spoiled again.
Shake prof with 2 hands now.
I don't check my thing. It is my hand.
Why you check am with 2 hands
I don't
now?
check on prof.
Why you always dey cause trouble? We don't talk this way. Some people reduce it. What's all this?
Thank you,
No, for now.
Not you.
Our people when they for us, they talk and say Nigeria and our country, you know, go spoil. Just like Prof talk, waiting Oga Uthman Danfodio been talk. Conscience is an open wound. Only the truth can heal it. We go continue to discuss this matter, and we as a people must demand more from those when they represent us. May they do the right thing to move this our country forward. Until we come back again tomorrow with another topic when they come on smoke.
Now bye.
Company Limited, producers of this Ogbonge movie when we plenty awards. The contract don't come again with another one. When go scatter your brain, you go laugh till you tire. This one, na Ghana must go.
So how are you?
Great.
And your family in Zimbabwe?
Nigeria.
The worst thing that can ever happen is to allow my daughter marry a Nigerian.
Two families get problem. They can't separate, and now they must come back together.
We are here. We have arrived at Accra.
That can't be.
Who are these people?
In-laws can't turn outlaws.
How on earth do you sort of invite your family from Nigeria without even informing me?
Ghana must go back. In this house.
And Ghanaians come para decide say them too, they must do their own revenge.
Nigerians must go.
Then don't draw the battle line.
Look at you.
Because any woman that wants to get pregnant, must not sleep with jeans.
Produced by Yvonne Okoro and the star in Kemowo, Blossom Chukwujeko, Kofi Ajolo, IK